Did you know that you can leverage Instagram to grow your business with less than 1,000 followers? But how? Your business account just sits there with a few likes from your mom, no matter what content you post. You spend so much time trying to perfect your images, using filters or apps, after spending hours carefully planning out every single post. And then when it gets posted, nothing. When I first started on Instagram in 2013, if I had known I'd be spending all this time crafting pretty and on-brand posts with little engagement in return, I wouldn't have ever hopped on the Instagram train. Because as a business owner, I had so much more to do. I literally wore all the hats. Then one day, riding my bike in sunny Toronto, I had an epiphany. It wasn't about how beautifully branded my post was, it was about how to get the algorithm to favor me. So I learned everything I could about the Instagram algorithm. The algorithm favors accounts that you regularly engage with. So I shifted. My Instagram strategy changed from trying to reach the masses to focusing on the relationships I already had on the platform. Go deeper, not wider. This means less followers, but more true fans. This is the single most important lesson to monetizing your Instagram account in today's crowded market. But as we know, you as a business owner wear a lot of hats. You don't have time to figure out how to create posts that build beautiful, lasting loyalty on a personal level, so I did it for you. And I'm gonna show you how to do it in my free training. You can literally steal my Instagram secrets and learn the 3 secrets to organically doubling your leads, clients, and sales today without the swipe up feature, a website, or even an existing audience. If you'd like to take off some of those hats and grow your business, then I invite you to my free Instagram masterclass training. Just click the link on or below this video to get instant access. Feels so good to take these hats off, even if I have to deal with hat hair.